Public Interest Registry has announced the winners of the 2020.org Impact Awards. These remarkable organizations and individuals have met the unique challenges of this unparalleled year and represent the very best of the .org community. This year's winners are, in the category of Combating Coronavirus, Days for Girls. Since 2008, this .org has worked to shatter stigma and limitations associated with menstruation for girls and women across the globe. Because periods don't pause for pandemics, Days for Girls has continued through 2020, pivoting from classroom workshops to outdoor education, and their Masks for Million campaign inspired over 3,500 people to make 1 million masks. In the category of Promoting Education, SMASH. Headquartered in Oakland, California, SMASH's mission is to build a strong, diverse, and socially conscious tech workforce by leveling the playing field through academic learning and experiential engagement for high school and college students across the U.S. Shifting to virtual programs in 2020, SMASH is empowering students of color with an intensive STEM education, culturally relevant coursework, and access to resources and social capital. In the category of Outstanding Volunteer, Kayla Abramowitz. Kayla created Kayla Cares for Kids when she was only 7 years old. This .org helps sick children to have a better time during hospitalizations by delivering donated boxes of joy. Kayla manages hundreds of student volunteers and has logged more than 7,000 hours of community service, coping with her own chronic illnesses. Kayla uses her experience to bring comfort, camaraderie, and inspiration. In the category of Championing Equality, Equity, and Inclusion, Change Labs. Based in Tuba, Arizona, Change Labs provides workspace, tools, resources, and know-how for Native American entrepreneurs. Founders face unique challenges and barriers in the Hopi and Navajo nations, where unemployment can reach up to 50%. In March, Change Labs established a character-based loan fund for Navajo and Hopi artists, vendors, and small business owners. This loan fund was the first of its kind in tribal lands. In the category of Innovation, Invisible Children. For decades, efforts to end violence in the Democratic Republic of Congo and the Central African Republic have been hindered by a lack of relevant and timely information. Armed groups have committed mass murder in isolated villages with impunity. Invisible Children developed the Crisis Tracker as a tool to aggregate data about armed group activity, provide rapid alerts to at-risk communities, and give reliable, up-to-date information to stakeholders throughout the region. In the category of Advancing Environmental Sustainability, Mangrove Action Project. Mangroves are among the world's most productive and biologically important ecosystems and are threatened by shrimp farming and other human activity. Mangrove Action Project began 28 years ago in Seattle, Washington, to conserve mangroves across the globe. In 2020, they held the Mangrove Photography Awards. The resulting images were shared by news outlets around the world and helped to raise awareness of mangrove ecosystems. In the category of Newcomer of the Year, Arwa Damon, President and co-founder of Inara. Since the fall of 2015, Arwa Damon has sought to fill the gaps in medical care for war-wounded and war-impacted children in Lebanon and Turkey through the nonprofit Inara. This new .org proved its versatility in 2020, distributing 1,500 hygiene and food packages to war-impacted families who were also facing economic devastation from the pandemic. And hours after the Beirut blast, Inara set up an advanced first aid tent in the city, bringing in more than 100 doctors and medical staff to help blast victims. In the category of Fighting Hunger and Poverty, Food for Free. Operating in Cambridge, Massachusetts, Food for Free improves access to healthy food, redistributing food that would otherwise go to waste. When COVID caused many food pantries to close, Food for Free established new programs within days to fill the gap. Food for Free created a free grocery delivery program for high-risk individuals, facilitated lower-income housing developments in starting free food markets, and helped local schools reach children in need. In the category of Promoting a Safer Internet, Child Rescue Coalition. The Child Rescue Coalition is dedicated to stopping the sexual abuse of children. Operating in South Florida since 2013, the Child Rescue Coalition provides free technology to law enforcement agencies around the world, This technology identifies unique IP addresses of users that have viewed and shared explicit images and videos of children, giving law enforcement a powerful tool to find, investigate, and arrest child predators. And for our highest honor, .org of the Year, the winner is Days for Girls. Congratulations to the winners of the 2020 .org Impact Awards. Learn more about their work at orgimpactawards.org.